Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage your YouTube TV account. Managing your account is essential to get the most out of your subscription and ensure a seamless viewing experience. First, sign in to your YouTube TV account using your Google account credentials. Once signed in, you can access the Settings menu by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Settings. In the Settings menu, you can manage your account information, including your name, email address, and password. Next, you can manage your membership by clicking on the Membership tab. Here, you can view your current plan, update your payment method, and cancel or pause your subscription if needed. You can also add or remove networks from your plan, depending on your viewing preferences. Another important aspect of managing your YouTube TV account is setting up user profiles. You can create up to 6 profiles, each with its own personalized recommendations and watch history. To set up a new profile, go to the Settings menu and select Add Profile. You can then choose a name and picture for the profile, and set up a unique password if desired. In addition to managing user profiles, you can also set up parental controls to restrict access to certain content. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select Parental Controls. You can then set a PIN to restrict access to mature content and block specific channels or networks. You can also manage your devices by going to the Settings menu and selecting Devices. Here, you can view a list of all devices connected to your account and remove any devices that are no longer in use. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to your account and ensures that your subscription is not being shared with others. Finally, you can manage your notifications by going to the Settings menu and selecting Notifications. You can then choose which types of notifications you want to receive, such as new episode alerts or sports updates. You can also customize your notification settings for each profile, so that each user receives only the notifications they want. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your YouTube TV account and get the most out of your subscription. Remember to regularly review your account settings and update your information as needed to ensure a seamless viewing experience.